What's going on, Pyros? I'm at Sparky's Firework outlet in Jackson, Michigan. Do a little demo for you guys real quick. A little store tour. Some little novelties, little assortments down here. Got some 350-gram cakes right here. $24.99. Or the guy said if you buy three, you get them for $19.99 a piece. So come out to about 20 bucks a piece. It's a good deal. All right, here we got this Biggs pink. Looks pretty cool. Certified black label brand. Dragon LTD brand. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty stock too. It's a nice full stock store. Very cool cakes. Massive neon. Radioactive. Skyline. What is this, boy? So, cool packaging on that. The guy said he actually having a demo up here June 20th. So I'm definitely going to try to maybe come up here for that. I don't know if any of you guys in the Michigan area or Jackson, Indiana, going to be coming to that demo, but it's June 20th. I'm definitely going to try to make it. I'm going to try my best. Up here we got some big fan cakes. Massive cake. Big set of missile battery bases. Attitude adjustment. BMF. Wacky tobacco. Little assorted artillery shells. Desperado. Those look pretty cool from Brothers. Double break shells. Looks like you got some canisters and 4 breaks, double breaks. Never seen these before. That looks pretty cool right there. Hercules looks like another version, maybe Goliath or something like that. It's made by Biggs. Should be good. Anything by Biggs is good. Canister shells. Some more ball shells and double multi-break shells. Thought these were interesting, guys. Look at this. Got the certified black label brand. 5-inch American super shells. Those are pretty bad. Biggs Reaper shells, Pro shells. They also have the certified black label Executioner blood shells. 60 grand. Badass shells, man. I'm not sure how new they are, but I believe they're new for 2015, so those are pretty bad. Got some more 500 grams over here. Massive American. Massive Bouquet, Shotgun Wedding. Black Hole Sun. I always wanted to try this cake out right here. Pretty big tubes. America. That's gotta be an awesome cake. That's new this year, America. It's nice. You know what? I bought my first fan style cake last year. It was Proud. That Proud one. It was nice. So this year I'm gonna try to get more cakes like that. Yeah. See, pandemic, and what's the other one you said? Out of control. Real nice hard breaks. Guys might want to check out some demo videos on them. You got them? Rockets. Bottle rockets. Lots of bottle rockets. A little different parachute rockets. You get into 200 gram at all? Yeah. Other side? Yeah. Dragon LTD rockets. Restricted airspace. Never seen them, but they look kind of cool. Sky Defender. Air Supremacy rockets. I'm not sure. I seen a video from somebody. These rockets right here were pretty cool. You got a rocket assortment up there. Some Big Bomb. Dragon LTD Big Bomb rockets. They look cool as shit. I don't know. I never got a chance to try out this Dragon brand, guys, but I definitely think I'm going to be trying it out this year. Some nice looking stuff. High quality packaging. We got some looks like firing systems over here. Definitely 20Q firing system. We got another 10Q fire, 10Q
sequential here.
20Q. Got some more over here, some big boys. These 249, not bad. Looks like I got a lot of channels on there. Spark Fire. Those are some big boys. Nice firing systems. So we got back here some fuse. Holy shit, Tannerite. If you guys know what that is. Got some mortar racks. Little safety glasses. Even got remote control helicopters. How cool is that? You don't find that in your everyday fireworks store. Got some huge Roman candles, man. Look at this. Big stick by Biggs. We got a red, white, and blue tracer by Biggs. We got a neon tracer by Biggs. Big Roman candles. They are two for any two for $19.99. It's a pretty good deal. Got a lot of sort of Roman candles. Biggs, Flash, and Thunder. Assorted, different assorted Roman candles. Assortments. And look at these. These are fountains. These are fountains, guys. I don't really know too much about fountains. Y'all see my videos. Usually try to get the big ones. Stay with the cakes and shells. But these fountains actually look pretty damn cool. Look at this one. Enormous Eruption by Biggs. It's a massive fountain. Pretty damn big. Look at this. Dark Science. The guy says this is like a little dragon egg in there or something. It looks like a dragon egg. So it spins around and got some tubes, so flames shoot out of there. It looks pretty cool. It definitely looks cool. Brothers made by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Pretty cool. Diamond Fountain by Biggs. I heard this one's really nice. I heard that's real nice. They got the Princess and Prince Frog. Those are cool little novelties for the kids. If you guys got kids, I guess those are something nice to have. Sky lanterns. All different types of sky lanterns, different colors, American flag. I never got a chance to try out no sky lanterns, but like I said, this year I think I'm definitely gonna pick one of those up and see how it works. Some 200 grams. Got some Matrix Pyro, Full Auto, Party Crash, Black Thunder. Got some nice stuff here. True Colors, Motown, Open Grave, Wild West, Spartacus, Fiesta, 96 shots by Biggs. I bet that's nice. I never really tried any of those like 96 shot cakes like that, like Fireworks Fiesta or Fiesta. That's another type of cake I want to try out this year.
That full auto right next to us, 200 shots. To your left.
This one? So this one's 200 shots. That'd be cool, man. Pretty sure it works something like it's out of missile battery, but it'll have some different type of special effects. It won't just be like little whistles and pops, you know. Some laser twists. Another certified black label, homegrown. They got a lot of this certified black label branding, so like I said, I never tried any of their product, but I've seen videos of it and it looks pretty good, so I'm definitely gonna be trying to pick up some. Magnificent Festival, Green Star, the Red, White, and Blue Salute, Wild Bear. That's a big one. Look like a 350 grammer. Got a feeling that's probably a hard hitter. That's not a. No. Jesse Jane. I had this one last year, guys. It was shoots pretty fast. It's pretty good. Same with this, my cousin Vinny. Nice cakes, but they go very fast. Empire. Never seen this brand before. This looks like something interesting to try out. Definitely. Empire Point Break. Definitely think I might try that one out.
It's new this year.
So that's new this year also, guys. Right here by what brand is this? King Bird brand. Sonic Boom artillery shells. Looks pretty cool. I don't know. Those look nice. We have some premium ground bloom flowers, jumping jacks, different novelty items. El Torito. Little bull. Got what is this? Backyard Pyro Party by what is that? Liberty Bell Fireworks. Tanks. I forget who says it in their video, but if you ain't got tanks, you ain't got shit. So different little barrages, 100-shot barrages, little mini assortments, triple header, $10. Can't beat that deal with a stick. Triple header, $10. Mighty Cobra, different little 200 grams. So guys, this is again Sparky's Fireworks. It's in Jackson, Michigan, located right off of 94. If you guys in the area, if you live around Jackson, Michigan, you plan on picking up some fireworks, I suggest you guys stop in and get a store a look. It's pretty nice. Good products, good brands, good deals. Right now, he said for this weekend, 24 pack of Pro Shells, $49.99. So I mean, I would definitely, if I was you and you're in this area, try to pick those up. Have a good one.